Mitigating delt burn with decline push-ups. Progressed at declines. Okay, so a decline push-up is where you put your feet up on an object and then your hands down on the ground. So you're actually like literally declined. You're almost kind of like doing like a sideways push-up where you're like pushing out of the ground, kind of almost like a half handstand push-up, if that makes sense. But yeah, they're very difficult. It's a very tough way. Just get like a small step stool or put your feet up on a box, and that's going to be how you're going to do it. All right, so they progressed. Have to go break up my routine into 5 sets of 10 because of my side delt burn. Side delts? Huh. Go on to other push-ups because of the irritation. Should I power through? Advice. Yeah, I think this person just needs to maybe do a little more well-rounded shoulder stuff. He's doing this 5 sets of 10, 50 push-ups, train 5 times a week and mix things up with weight-bearing exercises. So I don't know if they're doing this every day, but yeah, just having a more well-rounded shoulder workout. You might be overworking one part and not some of that weight and stress is kind of getting dispersed to other parts. You might just have some overuse injury too on just doing decline push-ups for so long. Some people, if they do a certain workout, their body and the tissues, the tendons, ligaments, connective tissue, they get strong, but this is where tendonitis builds up, is where you keep doing it over and over and over again and don't switch it up even just a slight degree. Doing that will actually help that tendon in that specific strength area or ligament heal and work another portion of that area. And the reason this happens is because connective tissue takes a much longer time to fully recover than something like muscle. So people feel okay in their muscles, I feel good to go, but then their joints hurt. This, I think, is what's happening there. I would just rest a little bit on it, maybe come back to it in like a week, but at the end of the day, yeah.